Haharap sa malaking hamon ng Philippine Men's National Football Team mamayang gabi sa paghaharap nila ng Indonesia para sa kanilang huling laro sa group stage ng ASEAN Mitsubishi Electric Cup 2024. Yan ang sentro ng balita ni teammate Daryl Oclares.
Matapos ang tatlong mapait na draw, puntriya ng Philippine Men's National Football Team na makuha ang kanilang unang panalo sa ASEAN Mitsubishi Electric Cup 2024. Pero butas ng karayo muli ang pagdadaanan ng pambansang kupunan dahil makatapat nila ang isa pang Southeast Asian powerhouse na Indonesia ngayong Sabado sa Gelora Bung Karno Stadium sa Jakarta. Dahil sa tabla kontra Myanmar, Laos at Vietnam, kasalukuyang nasa ikatlong pwesto ng Group B standings ang Pilipinas. Kailangang maipanalo ng ating football squad ang laro kontra sa Indonesia para mapataas ang tsansang makaabante sa semifinals. Bagamat ilang araw lamang ang kanilang pahinga, tiwala si head coach Albert Capias na ibibigay ng kupunan ang lahat para manalo.
They are 100% motivated. We arrive in the last journey with possibilities to win. I really think if they fight like they did today and we create the chances that we create also in the other games, I think we have chance to beat that game. That means, as a coach, I know that they will go there even without rest, even only with 2 days off, 2 days between. I know that they will go there and they will fight as a hell to try to win and qualify. I'm so proud for them. I'm not worried at all.
Dagdag pa ni Capias, hindi umano niya alintana ang mga nagagawang pagkakamali ng kanyang mga manlalaro.
I never will blame a player for a mistake. Never. All of them, they have my 100% support. Who doesn't play doesn't make mistakes. Football is a game of mistakes. I blame the players who doesn't want the ball. I blame the players who don't fight. I blame the players who doesn't feel the shirt. But the player who make a mistake, they will have me in their side always.
Mapapanood ang laban ng Pilipinas kontra sa Indonesia ganap na alas 9 ng gabi live dito sa PTV Sports Network. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.